We basically primarily use the competence management tool of Azumuta. We are, as part of the automotive supplier industry, we are IATF certified, which comes with different regulations, and one regulation is the need of a competence management. The biggest future benefit I can see personally is the integration of AI in Azumuta. If there's the possibility to combine the skill metrics, for example, with AI, we have the possibility to even make it more efficient, processes more efficient. I see a big chance here. I experienced the collaboration with Azumuta as good and positive. We have regular meetings where we update each other. On one side, Azumuta has new features, and on one side our needed features, in general feedback. If we have problems, we can always send mails. The response time is really fast, which is really important and quite good. If problems can't be solved immediately, they get added to the roadmap.